Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our next lesson. Lesson number 1, the shooting test. There are different types of shooting things. Now in this picture also, all of you, first of all, I am requesting all of you to open the page number 14. Okay, 1414, the shooting test. Different types of instruments are used while shooting. This is a gun. Look at this picture. In your lesson also, here it is mentioned. One a small gun is there, one a big. Okay, and here this one is a bow and arrow, and another one is a knife. Okay, these all things comes under in a shooting point only. But in olden days, in ancient days, we were not finding guns or knives, such type of things. They used to use only bows and arrows to just fight with others. Here, ancient persons were habituated of using the bows and arrows. Now, how to use the bows and arrows and for what things we are going to just come to know in this lesson. Here now we'll come to the next point, that is characters. The characters, those who are covered in this story. Okay, here this is the mythological story. Mythology means the story which belongs to a epics, or you can say like second point, that is uh, for pujas and such things. Okay, so here the story is of Dronacharya and his 5 Pandavas. Dronacharya, now you just see in this lockdown period also, 2 epic serials were going on. One is Ramayana and the second one is Mahabharat. So this is actually the story of Mahabharat. In this, you just come to know Dronacharya. Who was Dronacharya? He was the teacher of, he was the guru of Pandavas. Like you see in school also, teachers teach you the different subjects. But at that time, only one guru or one teacher used to teach them, good or bad, whatever it is. He used to or she used to give the complete knowledge to the students, along with the shooting points also, how to use and how to make yourself safe from others. Pandavas, these 5 Pandavas are brothers. First one is, the elder one is Yudhishthir, second is Bhim, third one Arjun, fourth is Nakul, and fifth one is Sahadev. Okay, this here in this first page, completely we just want to know about the story and their characters. यहाँ पे मैं आपको वापस से बता दे रही हूँ कि ये जो पिक्चर्स में सब इमेजेस दिखा रहे हैं, ये सारे शूटिंग पॉइंट्स हैं. पहले जमाने में गन्स और ये नाइफ्स वगैरह नहीं रहते थे. जब भी ये कबीले वगैरह रहते थे, तो उस समय के पीरियड में ये बोज एंड एरोस चलते थे. अभी आप लोगों ने सीरियल भी देखा होगा, रामायण. रामायण में भी श्री भगवान राम बोलो या लक्ष्मण, भरत, शत्रुघ्न, ये सारे सभी लोग सिर्फ बोज एंड एरोज ही चलाते थे, क्योंकि उस पीरियड में यही शूटिंग पॉइंट्स में रहते थे. तभी ये सारी चीजें लॉन्च नहीं हुए थे. सो नाउ दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ 5 पांडवास एंड देयर टीचर द्रोणाचार्य. पांचों पांडव यानी पांचों भाइयों को बोलते हैं पांडवास. और यहाँ पे जो ये स्टोरी है, जो आप लोग महाभारत में भी देखते हैं, कि ये जो महाभारत में दिखाया गया है, ये जो कौरव और पांडवों की लड़ाई के बारे में है. तो उस समय पे उनके पास में ये सारी चीजें नहीं रहती थी. अब विजय तो होना है. सो व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू यूज टू विन द fight? Only bows and arrows. Okay, now we will just start our next page. We will come to the story. Can you see this? Page number, all of you open page number 15. In page number 14, the characters of the story mentioned and the images which in olden, in ancient days, they used to use. Okay, now we will just start this lesson. Dronacharya, he was the guru of Pandavas. I have taught you to use weapons, to shoot with the bow, to ride horses and to drive them, to work hard and to fight well. In this story, Guru Dronacharya is telling to the Pandavas. Guru Dronacharya पांडवों से कह रहे हैं कि मैंने तुमको पूरी विद्या सिखाई है. पूरा विद्या मीन्स each and everything. I just taught you how to shoot. कैसे आप लोगों को बो एंड एरो चलाना चाहिए, कैसे किसी को भी मारना चाहिए, और कैसे आप लोग को हॉर्स राइडिंग करना चाहिए. आप लोगों को गुरु मंत्र सिखाया है. बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने आप लोगों को सिखाई है ताकि आप लोग अच्छे से अच्छा यू कैन डू हार्ड वर्क एंड फाइट वेल फ्रॉम अदर्स. ओके, so this thing here, Dronacharya is informing to the Pandavas. He just want to explain them that each and everything I taught you how to use the weapons. Weapons means जैसे बो एंड एरो, वो भी एक वेपन में आता है, शूटिंग पॉइंट में आता है, जैसे गन्स, ये सारी चीजें. तो मैंने तुम लोगों को बो और एरो कैसे चलाना चाहिए, घोड़ा राइडिंग, हॉर्स राइडिंग कैसे करनी चाहिए, आपको अच्छे से बड़ी फाइट कैसे जीत के आना चाहिए. दीज एवरीथिंग्स इन द क्लास आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू एंड मेक यू कंफर्टेबल टू विन द रेस. ओके, सो दे वर सेलिंग यस गुरुजी, कि हाँ आपने हमें सब सिखाया है. Now what the Bhim says, we'll just know. Guruji, you have taught me to use a club too. I can fight with any man now. Now here Bhim is asking to Guru Dronacharya that आपने हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई है. You taught us many things. Now in this, what is the meaning of club means? Club का मतलब आता है कि आपने जो जो मुझे सिखाया है, जो जो मुझे रेस में उतारा है, जो जो मुझे मतलब हर एक चीज जो बोली है, टारगेट दिया है, दैट आई अचीव्ड. ओके, और मैं उसमें सक्सेसफुल हुआ हूँ. व्हेन यू जस्ट आस्क मी टू जस्ट fight with this person or just win this race, everything I just do it and I won the race also. I can fight with any man now. मैं कभी भी किसी से भी जीत सकता हूँ और किसी से भी लड़ाई कर सकता हूँ. Who is telling here? Bhim is telling to गुरु द्रोणाचार्य कि आपने मुझे जो जो दिया है, जो जो शिक्षा दिया है, I just got it and I won also. आपने मुझे बहुत सारी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में भी उतारा है, बट उसमें भी मैं सक्सेसफुल हुआ हूँ. ओके, हियर भीम इज टेलिंग टू गुरु द्रोणाचार्य. नाउ व्हाट द्रोणाचार्य सेज, लेट्स सी. आई एम श्योर यू कैन, each one of you can fight with any man. Okay, now here Guru Dronacharya says, yes, you can, because you are capable to fight with anyone and you can win the race also. And not only you, but your remaining 4 brothers can also fight with anyone and can win the race. Who is telling here? Guru Dronacharya is telling to Bhim, not only you, सिर्फ तुम ही नहीं, तुम्हारे बाकी भी जो भाई हैं ना चारों, वो भी अच्छे से कभी भी किसी से भी लड़ सकते हैं और जीत सकते हैं. Guru Dronacharya is telling to this thing Bhim. Now what the Nakul says, we will just read it. Guruji, won't you teach us any more? It means, now you said that you taught us each and everything, how to use the weapons, how to shoot them, how to use the bow and arrow, how to ride a horse, everything you just taught us. Then hereafter you are not going to teach us anything. आप अभी हमें कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाओगे. आपने हमें सब सिखा दिया है, तो अभी आगे हमें कुछ भी नहीं सिखाने वाले। एक्चुअली दिस नकुल इज आस्किंग, नकुल जो है ना, वो नकुल के बाद से सहदेव है, फोर्थ ब्रदर है नकुल युधिष्ठिर का। ओके, तो ही इज जस्ट आस्किंग द गुरुजी कि आप अभी हमें कुछ भी नहीं सिखाने वाले, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने हमें सब कुछ सिखा दिया है। नाउ नेक्स्ट द्रोणाचार्य, व्हाट अगेन द्रोणाचार्य गुरु सेज, लेट्स सी, यू सी स्माइलिंग, आई विल, डोंट बी सैड माय बॉय। नाउ व्हाट द्रोणाचार्य, he just smiled on his face and said, don't worry, no, I'm going to teach more and more. But it is not that. I was telling that maximum I just taught you everything. So you just don't be sad, my boy. I'm going to teach you many more things. You just relax, but in a smiling way. Okay? गुरु द्रोणाचार्य थोड़े से मुस्कुराने लगे और उनसे कहा, किससे? नकुल से। He said to नकुल कि तुम उदास मत हो, डोंट बी सैड माय बॉय, today I want to give you a test, but today I'm not going to teach you anything because I'm going to take a test. जो अभी तक मैंने आप लोगों को सिखाया है उसका एक टेस्ट लेना चाह रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं आप लोगों से कह रहा हूँ कि I taught you so many things. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी मैं कुछ भी सिखाने वाला नहीं हूँ. It is not like that. So what the Sahadev says, we will just come to know. Is it a difficult test, Guruji? Now here you see what Sahadev is asking, because सबसे छोटा ब्रदर, सबसे छोटा भाई है सहदेव, वो पूछ रहे हैं गुरुजी से कि you are going to conduct a difficult some test, easy test नहीं है, because they don't know which test Guruji is going to take. But here Sahadev was asking him, Guruji, are you going to take a difficult test? Now what the Dronacharya says, let's see. Now it is not difficult, it's easy. No, what says Guru Dronacharya to Sahadev? No, just don't worry. It is not at all difficult. It's very easy and very simple. But I need you, all of you have to pass it. Nakul says, happily. Then all of us will pass. What Nakul says, when the Sahadev asked that are you going to arrange a difficult test, Guruji? So Guruji said, no, it's a very easy task. You can do it. It is not at all a difficult one. So here Nakul is little bit happily asking, and he was just telling to all his brothers, then you just don't worry, because definitely we are going to pass in this test. नकुल क्या कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग अभी अपने भाइयों से कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग कोई भी टेंशन मत लो, ये टेस्ट हम लोग सभी जन पास करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी गुरुजी सेड इट्स नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टेस्ट, इट्स अ समथिंग इजी वन ओनली. ओके, एंड हैप्पीली नकुल इज टेलिंग टू ऑल हिज ब्रदर्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट द्रोणाचार्य सेज, वी विल जस्ट read here. I don't know that, but I will test all of you. Now here Dronacharya, after listening to Nakul that they all are going to pass in this test, so Guru Dronacharya said, no, it is not like that. You can do it. It is very simple. You can do it. But I want to see, I want to test all of you one by one. आप लोग इस टेस्ट में पास हो जाओगे, ये तो तब पता चलेगा जब आप सब लोग टेस्ट करोगे, जब आप सभी लोग टेस्ट दोगे, बिकॉज वन बाय वन, एक एक करके मैं आप सभी से टेस्ट लेने वाला हूँ. Okay, Guru Dronacharya, after listening to Nakul, he said to all the brothers, means to 5 Pandavas. Bhim, what now here Bhim says, you see, what is the test, Guruji? Now you see, they are eagerly waiting for the test. What the Guruji is going to take a test. So Bhim, just in a simple language, he asked the Guruji, then what is the test that Guruji? Come on, you just can explain us. So Dronacharya says, pointing to a tree. Now you see, backside of their Pandavas, You can see the trees also. Can you see these trees? Okay, here also one more tree. So now here Guruji is telling to the Pandavas, you can see the trees. Pointing means, which is the pointing finger? The index finger is the pointing finger. So he just, Guruji is showing a tree, pointing to a tree like this way. There is a bird in the tree. You have to shoot it in the right eye. Can you do it? Now what the Guru Dronacharya says, pointing to a tree, he was just asking the Pandavas that look at the tree. In that tree, one bird is sitting, but you have to shoot in the right eye of the bird. Can you do it? मतलब गुरु द्रोणाचार्य कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग वो ट्री देखो, उस ट्री पे एक बर्ड बैठा है, लेकिन आप लोगों को उस बर्ड की राइट आई पे शूट करना है. यू हैव टू शूट इन द राइट आई ऑफ द बर्ड. ओके, दिस इज द टेस्ट which Dronacharya is asking to do by Pandavas. All, yes, we can, Guruji. Yes, because they know each and everything. Their Guruji taught every point. So now they all were telling, yes, yes, Guruji, we can do it. It is very simple. We can do it. Now, as the Dronacharya, very well, Yudhishthir, get ready. What are you going to do? Now you see, as the elder brother is Yudhishthir. So Guruji is telling, and first chance he gave it to Yudhishthir only. Who? Dronacharya. Dronacharya, Guruji said to Yudhishthir that, attend. So Guru Dronacharya said to Yudhishthir, as you are the elder one, so you just be ready and let me know that what you are going to do it. Okay, now you have to just tell me what you are going to do, as you are the elder brother. I already gave you the test. You have to shoot right eye of the bird. So here Dronacharya asked the Yudhishthir. Okay, what Yudhishthir replied, can we see? Okay, I'm going to shoot the bird, Guruji. Yes, because already Guru Dronacharya is going to take a test, and he just asked them to shoot the right eye, to shoot the right eye of the bird. So what Dronacharya says, what do you see? Now definitely when Yudhishthir said, I'm going to shoot the bird, Guruji. What Yudhishthir said? Yes, I'm going to shoot the bird. So this is actually the story. Next story we will continue in our next class. Till here, you just read this lesson and write down the word meanings and opposites which are in the page. Lastly, you will find out, and I'll send also. And here I have to end this meeting, and next class I'll explain you the remaining lesson. Till that time, take care, take precautions, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for listening me.